Good morning, all of you. So, I hope that you all are doing good in your home. Anyway, we will start with the topic. Today's topic is normal aging process. So, as it always says, aging is a normal part of human development. So, there is certain pattern of aging, but it varies always. Like what happens, how it happens, when the body changes. All those things happens, but it vary among all peoples. Aging is a normal, universal, progressive, irreversible process. It is an inevitable physiological phenomenon. So we know that the human lifespan follows a recognized pattern from birth to death. Over these time, it is very evident that visually we can notice the changes which is happening in our body. For example, my hairs are getting white. I am getting wrinkles. Or someone can quote this: you are getting wrinkles, you are getting old, you are getting weak, all those things. So it is very visible. So both physical structure and body functions undergo changes and decline with advancing age. So that is a normal thing. So normal aging process. So as the aging process progresses, not just the physical structure deteriorates, even the mental capabilities like memory, physical abilities also goes down. For example, the person will forget where he kept his spectacles, where is his purse, forget to take medications, all those things. So as a general rule, slight as well as gradual changes are common. And most of these are considered as not a problem. Those who experience it, they doesn't consider that it is a problem. But when these changes are sudden as well as dramatic, so it should be noticed. Maybe it may be due to serious health problems. So we can study some of the factors which influence aging. These are very easy, okay? So various hereditary as well as environmental factors or socioeconomic factors affects aging. So first we will move to the hereditary factors. So we know that near to our family there are so many other families living in the community. And as we look into it, we can find out some family live longer than others. So that is only because of these genetic factors. So some families live longer than others given the same environmental circumstances. So this is generally related to genetic factors. That is about hereditary factors. Next one is environmental factors. Bourlier named gerontologist has given two categories of environmental factors which can influence the rate of aging in man. So he's telling that biotic as well as abiotic factors can influence aging. So we can see what is biotic as well as abiotic. So you know that abiotic factors like non-living components, that is also having great influence for aging, like climatic influences, the pollutants, radiations, all those things will affect our cells directly as well as indirectly. So it can lead to weakening of that cell, fatigued cells, and the cell can die. So eventually the aging will be fastened with these abiotic factors. Next one is biotic factors. Biotic factors are factors, living factors, which is living in our environment. So these are thousands of living organisms which share man's environment. So aging processes are affected by such things like pathogens, parasites, fungi, bacteria, all those things. Even it included the availability of food products. So what all food products we are taking? For example, junk foods or bad foods or high cholesterol food. So based on these factors, the aging is related. So that is about environmental factors, biotic as well as abiotic. Moving to the final factor, that is socioeconomic factors. So we know that stress is a main thing. Stress can affect the body in all ways. So here also it is postulating that stressful conditions of living are considered likely to accelerate the aging. For example, stress in daily life, income, job stress, workload, poverty, all those things. So that is about socioeconomic factors. So these are the three factors which is affecting aging or influencing aging. What are they? Socioeconomic factor, environmental factors, as well as hereditary factors. So chronic health problems also can affect aging. So that is about normal aging process.